Hello and welcome to Sauras's classes. Today we are going to solve some of the questions from reasoning ability. Basically, the questions are from syllogism. In this type of questions, we are given statements and correspondingly some conclusions, and we need to find whether the conclusions are true or false. Sometimes the conclusions or even the statements are not related to the real facts. Okay. Listening ability is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it has the most complex conceptual complexity among the other portions in any competitive examination. So to score high in this portion, you need to practice more and more, and you need to know all the tricks and concepts to solve these questions in small time span. So let's see the first question. The statement is some pens are knives. All knives are pins, some pins are needles, and all needles are chains. To solve this question, we use the Venn diagram. And according to the statement, the Venn diagram is as follows. Some pins are knives. So this is pen set, and this is knife set. All knives are pins. Some pins are needles. And all needles are chains. Okay. Now let's see the first conclusion. At least some chains are pins. So this is the pin set and this is the chain set, and as we can see, there is some connection between pins and chains. Therefore we can say that at least some chains are pins. It is true. Now let's see the second statement. All needles being knives is a possibility. As there is no such concrete evidence in the given statement that all needles not being knives, therefore we can say that the statement 2 is also true. To understand this, we can draw the given Venn diagram in a different way. Here we are given some pens or knives. So this is the pen set, this is the knives set, then all knives are pins. So this is the pins set, then some pins are needle. Some pins are needle. Suppose this is the needle set, and then we get all needles are chains. This is the chain set. Okay. Now let's see the statement all needles being knives. So from this pictorial representation, we can say that all all needles being knives. This is the needle portion and this is the knife portion, and as we can see, all needles are knives. Now let's see the third statement. Third conclusion. Some pins are pens. As we can see from the Venn diagram that some pins are pens is true. So all the three statements are correct. Hence 5 is the correct answer. Now let's see the next question. In the next question, we are given that all fields are ponds. No ponds is tree. Some trees are hearts and all hearts are goats. So let's try to draw this. All fields are ponds. No pond is tree. Some trees are hearts and all hearts are goats. Okay, so this is the required Venn diagram, and now let's see the first conclusion. At least some goats are fields. And the second conclusion, they are related, as we can see that the two conclusions are interrelated between goats and field. So we consider them in together. The first conclusion is at least some goats are field, and the next one is no goat is field. So either of them can be true, but not together. That means if one is true, then two must be false, and if two is true, then one must be false. Okay, now let's see the third statement, that some goats are definitely trees. And this is the true statement. We can see from this pictorial representation that some goats must be tree. Therefore, the third conclusion is always true. So the right answer will be the option 5, that either one or all, either one or two, and 3 is false. Okay, so that's all for today. If you want to know more about reasoning ability syllogisms, then you can drop a message in those two numbers. These are the WhatsApp number of ours, and they are 9836793076 or 9874822756. Or you just can check our website, which is www.sarasclasses.com. Thank you very much.